How you doing there, love? I am wondering if you could help me with seancing. Hello?
Hello, hi, how can I help you?
How you doing? I am going to Dublin I am going down to Dublin. I am in Belfast at the minute, and I was wondering if you could give me some information.
On which area? Dublin?
Yes, Dublin.
Dublin. Okay. What is it you're looking for?
I was maybe thinking about taking in some music, and I was wondering who was playing in the concerts down there.
Right. Where are you at the moment?
I'm in Belfast.
In Belfast?
Yes.
Right. Okay, when do you want to go?
I am going down to Dublin, maybe tomorrow, maybe Sunday.
Tomorrow, Sunday?
Yes, and I was wondering who was playing in the concerts there. I heard that maybe Claire Fryer should.
Sorry?
Yes? Claire. Sorry, yes?
Were you looking concerts, did you say, sorry?
Yes. I was maybe thinking about Claire Fryer should. I heard he was playing maybe.
Richard?
Yes.
Okay.
Could you check for me?
I'll just check on the system here for you.
Thank you. You could. Hello.
Can you see your mouth? So you can see.
Who you got?
Sorry to be
Hiya.
I couldn't see anything now on the system, but if you want me, I can take your name and number and get back to you.
Yes, that would be helpful. Thank you very much.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Jeffrey.
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey Bragenstein.
Okay, and what's your telephone number?
It's 077
077, yeah?
808
808
471
471
38.
38.
Yes.
Okay, and it's Cliff Richard?
Yes, we better Claire Fryer or maybe Elton John, whoever's available. I just want to get out and watch a few shows, you know.
Right, well, don't think there's that many concerts on this weekend, but you'll check see anyway, okay?
Would there be any pantomimes?
Sorry, pantomime?
Yes,
Oh, there's
pantomime.
there's pantomimes?
Yes, pantomimes.
Pantomime you have, hold on a second, I'll tell you now.
I like to watch a wee bit of Dick Wellington. Isn't that how you say it? Dick Wellington?
Sorry?
Dick Wellington, is that?
Dick Whittington.
Yes.
There's Snow White.
Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have Babes in the, hold on a second, sorry, the Winter Tale.
The Winter Tale. Never heard of that one.
No, not. You have Cinderella and the Gaiety.
Cinderella. What one's that? What one's Cinderella? I get mixed up between her and Sleeping Beauty.
Cinderella is, she's...
Goes to the ball, the glass slipper?
Yes,
Yes, I remember her now. She's pretty, very pretty.
Jack and the Beanstalk.
In the cartoon. Jack and the Beanstalk, that's my favourite. My favourite. Where's that one? Where's that one being held? I go to watch Jack and the Beanstalk.
To City Centre.
Yes, I want to watch Jack and the Beanstalk.
Okay, that's in Tallaght.
Taylor? What's Taylor?
Dallagh.
Is that in Dublin?
Sorry?
Is that in Dublin?
No, it's not in Dublin itself. It would be actually west of Dublin.
Right. I think I've heard of it. I'm not too sure. But I really want to go and watch the Jack and the Beanstalk. How do I
I'll give you a contact number.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Can I just grab a pen, please? I just grab a pen. Okay, I've got your pen.
Telephone number 00
0 0
353
3 5 3
1.
Wire.
And number is 451
Fire 1
83
8 3
84.
8 4. Okay, cheers. All right, see you later. Love. Thanks.